Hey guys, Chris here. So as you know, Jason and I are working on a music video. We filmed this test sequence today at a very cool location, just to make sure that we can do all the effects that we envisioned for this video. So I just finished up this shot and thought I would post it to give you guys a sneak peek into what we're doing. Before I say any more, I'll let you check it out. Now obviously the shot was very quick and was intended to take place in a hardcore action scene. So let me set the shot up for you so you can visualize it a little bit better. The idea behind this was to simulate a bullet flying from a sniper perched where the camera is, and the bullet travels, see it traveling here through the window, and then we have the camera continue filming at the point of impact. This makes it seem like it's all one continuous motion. A technique like this could be used in a shot where, I don't know, you could be standing in your bathroom talking about smelling like a man, and then all of a sudden, oh my god, you're on a boat with 2 tickets to that thing that you love. So yeah, there you go guys, that's all I have for now. Keep your eyes open for the music video, and we'll see you next time.